Hello, I'm the Dynamic Dipper from Morecambe. Just a little Saturday or Sunday snippet, depends when we get it out. I just wanted to do a quick reminder. I'm at Williamson's Park, by the way, which is, I can't turn the camera around, just go back here. Yeah, so it's great for walking the dog. It's about 54 acres, you can see up there, it's about 54 acres of woodland and park. Loads of places for you to have a picnic. Come at any time of year, it's just a beautiful place to walk, really lovely. It's quite local to me. Yeah, and these are the things, so I found some things already that I'm excited about. So I collected some conkers last week, but I'm always really excited when I find one still in its case. Yes, this late on, when they're still in the shell, look, I've just found one there, when it's still in its little case. Get quite excited by that. So yeah, I just wanted to think about occupying the children while you want to go swimming. And in the autumn time, or any seasonal time really, these books are fantastic. Okay, so you can get lots of different versions of these. So you can get summer, spring, I think. You can certainly get winter. I've got winter, trees, car spotting, by the seaside. They do plays here, which is why that metal structure was just behind me. But anyway, yeah, so these books are really good for occupying the children while you're swimming, obviously under adult supervision. But you know, if you're wanting to just have a quick dip in autumn, winter time, these books give the children something to spot. And there's lots in the series. I spent a lot of my time when my children were younger outside, outdoors. We probably spent 80% of our time, daylight hours, outdoors, because they were so active. And so these little things came in handy, as did swimming, trampoline park when it was raining, but mostly outside. So I know how much they occupy active minds, and I just thought I would just put it on my Saturday snippet. So that's it from me, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.